Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Asterisk Solution. And as we are continuing with our first video on HDFS commands, let's start the terminal and dive into the concept first. So you can right click on your screen. Unlike Windows, you need not go and type CMD and then start. Terminal is quite easily available here. So my username here is Zartab @Ubuntu is my machine name. So HDFS is basically a virtual storage which you want to access. So it's not also inside your Linux, it's a virtually inside available inside Linux. So if you want to access anything there, you have to write the command Hadoop fs as a prefix. Now to give you the first basic listing, what I'm going to do is Hadoop fs -ls slash, which is the root for my HDFS. If I press enter, you'll see it will now run the command to find the HDFS files. And you can see slash user is the root command available here. And this video I'm going to show you how to make a directory, how to delete a directory, how to list all the files you have. If I want to see right now what is available in my HDFS, I have to just say Hadoop fs -ls -r and slash. It will basically give me details about all the folders available in my HDFS. You can see I have got a lot of folders here, and also inside folders I have got files. So for now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick to my plan that let us create first a folder by name. Using mkdir, I'm going to make Hadoop fs -ls, not -ls actually, I'll use mkdir to make a new folder inside my slash user. So the command to make a new folder is Hadoop fs -mkdir. Mkdir is basically however you make your directory in Linux. So mkdir slash user slash asterisk. So if I say asterisk now in this way, it's creating. Okay, it's created. Now just to check Hadoop fs -ls slash user. So what is available in my slash user? In my slash user folder, as you can see in the structure, that slash user is the main structure I have. Now I have got two folders here. One was already created by name Zartab, which is my name, and one I created by the name of asterisk. Now if I go through like listings can be done in many particular way. I have to now make or put a file in my HDFS from my Linux folder. So as you can see that I now have created a folder by name asterisk, and in my previous folders, if I go through Hadoop fs -ls slash user slash zartab slash sales slash input, this is one of my previous folder. I have a file by name sales csv. There should be a file. Okay, there is a file by name sales jan 2009.csv. I want to copy this in my new asterisk folder. So what should I do now? So the command to copy a file from any folder in HDFS to any other folder in HDFS is Hadoop fs -cp. You have to give the source and then you have to give the destination. So Hadoop fs -cp slash user slash zartab slash sales slash sales slash input slash sales jan 2009.csv. So this becomes my source, and now I have to give my destination. So slash user slash asterisk, enter. It's doing its process. So now if I say Hadoop fs -ls slash user slash asterisk, and while we are doing, I'll do what I'll show you how to also show the sizes of the file by using -h command. Okay, I messed up. Okay, it has to be a lowercase h, so it can be converted into a human readable format. Yeah, so you can see I have got the file. It's 120 KB, and my file is being copied from this location to this particular location. Now this was about being copied. What about if I want to move some file? So just to demonstrate that, what I'm going to do is first create Hadoop fs -mkdir slash user slash asterisk /new. So I'm creating a new folder in my /asterisk directory, and now I want to use move my sales jan 2009.csv to the new folder. So the command for writing moving a file is going to be, instead of cp, now you'll try with mv. So mv will move my file. Let's see how it does. Hadoop fs hyphen mv slash user slash asterisk slash sales jan 2009.csv space slash user slash asterisk slash new. So it should basically move my file now. Hadoop fs hyphen ls hyphen r in caps, and then I'll say slash user slash asterisk. So it's going to give me the full details. I can see earlier my file was in asterisk, but now it has been moved, not copied but moved inside my new folder. So this is how you copy or you make the changes in the, you create a file. Now let's say you have one more folder, Hadoop fs hyphen mkdir. I am creating this folder with the only purpose to delete it back so that I can show you how to remove a file. So mkdir slash user slash asterisk folder 1. So my folder is being created. If I try the same command back to check whether the folder is created or not, let's see. And yeah, my folder is being created here. I want to delete this. So while deleting, the command is going to be Hadoop fs hyphen rmdir. Now you want to remove a directory. So what you will do, Hadoop fs hyphen rmdir slash user slash asterisk slash folder 1. So this way it will now delete or remove the whole directory. Again, just let us list it and try see if the folder 1 still exists there or not. You can see new and new sales Jan 2009, but no folder 1. Now next is, if you know how to create a file, you have seen how to delete a directory, how to create a new directory. Now let's see how to delete an already existing file. So let's say I want to now delete that sales jan 2009. So the command for deleting is now going to be just rm, because you're deleting a file, not a folder. So Hadoop fs hyphen rm slash user slash asterisk slash user slash asterisk slash new slash sales jan 2009 dot csv. Trying to run that. Yep, and the file is being, you can see I've got the log that the file has been successfully deleted. So when you delete a file, it's gone now. So let's say I have to just check it back. I'll just get an empty folder but no file inside it. Yeah. So this was our first video on listing, how you can list a file and how you can basically remake a directory, remove a directory, make a new file, how to delete a file, how to copy a file from location in Hdfs to Hdfs, how to move a file from one location of Hdfs to another. Thank you. Keep watching our series, and in the next video we are going to cover up about how to move file from my local system to my Hdfs and back from there. Thank you.